Hello to all. Today I want to show you a script that can convert XML file to Excel file. What is XML file? It was created from Navisworks. We have inside Navisworks clash detection. For every collision we have information. This information we can export in XML file, write in report, save file, then this file we need to put path here, then we need to run script. After that we get report. One moment, we have report. It's because file already open, it's normal. It gives us information that file was created. We open this file, and right now we can read Navis clash detection report in Excel. So this what for the script is needed. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.